Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do a full review, unboxing, and if applicable, demo of all of the items in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. This is the $25 a month glam bag. It's the bigger bag, not to be confused with, where did I put it? The little bag. I don't know which order the videos are going up. If the glam bag is already up, I'll link it up above. If not, it'll be up in a day or so, but today we're going into the Glam Bag Plus. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this with me and go through all of the items inside, stay tuned. I have the app here just so that I can talk through each item as I pull it out and give you a little bit of a detail. So the first item comes from the brand Belle and Argent. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it is a brush duo. This is the Buff and Brush Duo, retailing for $62. These brushes are made with super soft synthetic bristles that seamlessly apply and blend your favorite cream and powder bronzer, contour, and highlight products. Use the Leading Lady brush to blend larger areas and the Spotlight blush to add accents. They are vegan and cruelty-free. You know that brushes are kind of my, favorite products ever. So I'm going to pull these out. We'll see how they feel. They are definitely super soft. I can tell you right now from the texture, I would not use this for bronzer. I prefer a little bit of a wider brush just to really buff that out. But both of these are super soft, and I think they would make really nice under-eye setting brushes or just face setting brushes in general. So I'm going to set these aside, and we will try them in an upcoming video because I was not smart and didn't check what was in the bag before I put my makeup on. The next item out of the bag comes from Kate Somerville, and this is the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. This is a $70 value, the ultimate fix for dull, lackluster skin. The magical combo of exfoliators like glycolic and lactic acid with fruit enzymes helps to shed dead skin cells and hydrate hyaluronic acid to increase moisture levels. You can use it day and night. I don't agree with that. I do not like using glycolic acid during the day. I think exfoliation is great, and it's one of those things that I think everybody should have in their routine, but I love using it at night. I do not love using glycolic during the day. Lactic as well. Those are products that I think really tend to be great as part of a nighttime skin routine. This is not something that I would put in during the daytime. I have used this in the past. I really do like the texture of this, and it is an amazing night moisturizer, but absolutely not something I would recommend to use daytime. The next item I have already used and done a full review on camera. This is the Rodial Glass Primer. Retailing for $39, it creates a protective barrier that helps to lock in moisture, calm redness and inflammation, and leave a smooth canvas for long-wearing makeup. It absolutely does all those things. I also really like their illuminating primer, which this one's a little more dewy glowy. The other one has this pearlescent pink sheen. Both of them are beautiful. I actually think I like this one a little bit more because I think it gives you a little more of that lit from within glow. Plus, it does have a tiny bit of that smoothing filtered effect. So definitely something I like. I'm going to drop this one in an upcoming giveaway because I do already own the full size of this, but it is such a nice product. The next item is already going to be a miss for me. This is from Dragon Beauty by Nikita Dragon. This is the Dragon Wing Liquid Eyeliner. Now, I've said this before, I don't love liquid eyeliners. It's not a product I ever use just because I have hooded eyes. I don't love taking up a lot of lid space with liner, and it's just not something that I think is necessary for my eye shape. With the way my eyes are shaped and the way my lashes look, I always kind of get that uplifted look with my eyeshadow. I don't think I need a line to do that, but it does retail for $18. It is a full size. I have heard amazing things about it, but it is not something I've tried because, again, I do not like liquid liners. It is just not that type of product that I would ever utilize. So I just caught my reflection and I'm feeling a little shiny, so I am actually going to take those brushes and I'm going to use them to touch up. So I'm going to grab my Jouer. This is the Soft Focus Hydrate and Set powder in the shade Light. I'm going to take the smaller of these two brushes, and I did mist them with a little bit of an instant cleaning spray just to make sure they were sanitary. And I'm going to take that just to set down and brighten the under eye. I love the way that this is getting into the under eye. I think this is a really nice shape, and I think it really hugs the face. For the bigger brush, I'm going to use a little more of a swooping motion. This is a sheer powder, so this is just gonna take down shine. These brushes are really soft. I think I've gotten my favorite brushes out of IPSY's 100%. There was a dual-sided brush from Thera Beauty that I packed when I went to New York last time in October, and I must have left it at my mom's house because I have to ask her about that. But ever since, I have been missing that brush, and this feels very similar. It is super soft, and I think it's doing a really nice job. Definitely a fantastic brush. Glad that I took the time to try it on camera because I was like, yeah, this is a nice brush, but now that it's touched my face, definitely something I'm happy to use in the future. And the last item comes from the brand Elemis. This is the Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. Looks like it's a small amount, but it is an eye cream, so it is a full size, retailing for $49. Fake awake with this multitasking eye cream. It helps to revive tired-looking eyes with a blend of firming peptides, nourishing coconut oil, and brightening plant extracts. Morning and night, apply a tiny amount to your eye area using a delicate tapping motion. It is vegan and cruelty-free. I love Elemis. There are so many products I've used by them, but unfortunately, and I've said this before, I have a really bad coconut sensitivity. I always want to say allergy, but I do get hives if I use it on my face. I can eat coconut, I can use it in lip balms, but anytime I use it in skincare products, my skin breaks out really badly. I get tons of little bumps all over my skin, and I'll often get hives and have to take Benadryl or any type of allergy medication. So I am going to avoid using this just because it's something I'm allergic to. That's not anything bad about the product. I love a lot of the products I've used by Elemis, but unfortunately, anything that has coconut in it, I am going to have to pass on. It's also a very comedogenic ingredient, so it is one of those things that a lot of people have issues with coconut. Not just me, but it is one of those ingredients that I do avoid at all costs. So this box has a value in excess of $250, which for a $25 a month value, I think is amazing. I hate saying this out loud, but I think the IPSY Glam Bag Pluses are really starting to rival my BoxyCharm boxes. Boxy has been my favorite for a very long time, and ever since IPSY acquired them, I feel like the boxes have both been changing a lot, and there have been a lot of differences between them, but of the boxes that I've been getting, I feel like IPSY just keeps doing more, and I don't want to say this, but Boxy's kind of flatlining. I'm happy with all of the boxes I get, and I always seem to get my value out of the box. So a $25 box, I get more than that in the products I like. These brushes alone make $25 worth it for the Glam Bag Plus, and I have unboxed all of my IPSYs and BoxyCharms, whether you've seen it or not. I have unboxed all of them, and I've gotten my value out of every single one. But the IPSYs seem to give me a better value of things that I really like, not just value for the sake of value. So as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!